Are you looking to add partial payment to your WooCommerce store? Let your customers split their payments at checkout, making shopping more flexible and boosting your store's conversions. Tune into this tutorial how to add partial payment in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder Plugin. So let's get started. For this, firstly, we need to go to the plugins and then install and activate both ShopBuilder Plugin free and Pro version. Pro version is for this premium feature. And then go to the shop builders of our dashboard, settings, and then modules. Find partial pay and click on this option to enable this. You will get some several settings for your partial pay, like partial pay availability note, default payment type. Then you can also say due date after payments, as well as specify how many days before the due date the customer can receive a reminder email. If you want, you can also enable or disable coupon options. Next, for your level settings, you can set your partial payment input level, full payment input level, and etc. Now go to the partial pay rules to add a new one. Provide your title like partial payment. For the applicable for option, you can choose this option from the backend either for selected products or based on category or tags, whichever suits your needs. Then choose your specific products to include. Set your amount type as percentage or fixed, whatever you want. You can also set your partial payment amount based on your amount type. Now click on Save Changes and let's go to visit the site. Here it is. Click on that modified product to see the details customization of single product details page. If you further want to change your partial pay amount, then back to the settings again and set your required partial pay amount. If you further want to change your amount type, then you can select a single product or multiple products. For example, if you choose men, the option will apply to all items under the main category. Similarly, if you select specific products, the option will apply only to those products. Now let's go for style settings to customize archive text style. You can set and change your background color as well as text color from this color picker. While done, click on Save Changes and let's visit the customization. After customization, our changes appear just like this. Now let's style for our partial pay form. You can set and change field primary color along with field background color from this color picker. Click on Save Changes and see the difference. Now let's click on Add to Cart and then View Cart. This is called partial pay badge. If you want to change this badge color, let's go to the Style. And from here, change your badge background color from this color picker. Click on Save Changes. And once customized, the updates will be reflected exactly like this. Now let's go to the notification settings option. From here, you can manage the below emails from the WooCommerce, then settings and emails tab. You can enable or disable partial payment received email for admin and partial payment confirmation email for customers. Now let's try this link. But before moving forward, click on Save Changes. Then go to the WooCommerce of your dashboard. Here you can find partial payment confirmed settings, reminder and expiration on hold. First, let's try partial payment confirmed. Here you can set your email or text to appear in the main email body. These are the options for appearance for your desktop or mobile. And this is the interface of order invoice. Click on Save Changes. And let's go to the cart page. Here, click on Proceed to Checkout. This is the interface of checkout page with the billing details. Click on Place Order. Now you can see the order details of your specific product. Now let's see a mail demo. This is an admin mail demo. And this mail demo for the user. Now let's back to the checkout page and then go to the My Account page. Click on Order. Here you will get two options for your next action. If you click on View, you can see the order details. Now let's back to the WooCommerce and then Order. Click on this order code. From here, you also can further see all of your order details. From here, you can select your order status like partially paid. If you back to the order, you can see your order status. Now let's learn how you can customize partial payments on the product editor. This is the interface of our single product details page. Let's click on Edit Product on the top. This is the interface of it. From this product data settings, go to the partial pay and get two types of partial pay settings. If you enable global rules and update it, the appearance will look like this. Or if you choose to enable override global rules, you will get several settings option for amount type, partial pay amount to set. And then click on updates to save. Now let's go to the single product details page and the changes appear just like this. Now let's back to the orders to see our update. Here this is our order details. You can choose your order actions from given options and then click on updates to save. Here you can see our ultimate customization. If you click on this, you can see the checkout page. Click on To Pay option. By clicking on this option, thus you can add partial payment in WooCommerce with our ShopBuilder plugin. Thank you for watching.